In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews on Shopify with Pagefly. Let's dive in and make sure your online store shines with customers' feedback. First, open your preferred browser and search for Shopify. Once you have the Shopify login page up, go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. If you're new to Shopify, you'll need to set up an account, but for those with existing stores, log in as you normally would. Once you're logged in, it's important to install a product reviews app. Shopify doesn't have a built-in reviews feature, so you'll need an app like Judge.me, Loox, or Review. Head to the Shopify App Store, search for one of these reviews apps, and add it to your account. These apps are critical because they collate and present customer feedback, which is invaluable for boosting your store's credibility. After you've installed your chosen reviews app, you're going to be directed to the Pagefly dashboard. Pagefly is a popular page-building app on Shopify that allows for more flexibility and custom layout design. Make sure you have the Pagefly app installed and ready to use. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the specific Pagefly page where you want to add your product reviews. This could be a product detail page or any promotional page where customer feedback is crucial. Look at the left-hand toolbar in the editor and you'll find the icon for adding third-party elements. Click on it to proceed. Selecting this icon will present you with a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to click on Edit Your Third-Party Elements. This is where you integrate additional functionalities into your Shopify store through Pagefly. A new window, the Integrations pop-up, will appear. In this pop-up, you need to locate the reviews app you installed, like Judge.me or Loox. Ensure that it's enabled, which allows Pagefly to draw from its feature set. Next, you're going to open the element list. Here, you'll find different variants of the review elements that your app offers. Choose the one that best matches your store's aesthetic and then simply drag it onto the Pagefly editor page. Once your preferred review element is on the page, selecting it will trigger an inspector panel to appear on the right. This section is crucial for customizing your review widget. Under the General and Styling tabs, you have the option to adjust colors, margins, and even header settings to match your store's overall look and feel. After you're satisfied with how your product reviews are displayed, save your work and publish the Pagefly page. Now, head back to your storefront to check out the live view. You should now see your customer reviews beautifully displayed, providing valuable social proof to potential buyers. And that's it. You've successfully added product reviews to your Shopify store using Pagefly, giving your customers the confidence to choose your products. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, be sure to subscribe and check out more of our tutorials. Thanks for watching.